another unboxing and review. Today we'll be reviewing Tony Stewart's number 14 Bass Pro Shops Darlington Throwback. So, really nice. This is kind of a retro to the Bass Tracker boat. So, really nice. So, without further ado, let's get it out of its box. So, here it is, out of its box. Really nice. I like the paint scheme. I like this silver comb. It's a really nice silver, kind of like a dull silver. Almost kind of looks like it's matte. It looks like it's matte, but it's actually very glossy, which is pretty interesting. So we have on the hood, Bass Pro Shops. And then we have the number 14, and Stewart-Haas Racing and Chevrolet. Then we move up on the side. Then we have, on the rocker panel, we have Bass Pro Shops, Arctic Cat, Mercury. And then we have here on the quarter panel, we have Rush Truck Centers, Matt Tools, Haas. And then we have here on the side, Mobile One. On the C post, we have Bass Tracker. Then we have Coca-Cola, Jimmy John's, and some others on the B post. Then we have on the back, we have the Tony Stewart Foundation, Bass Tracker, the number 14. Then we have here on the deck lid, Mobile One, and BassPro.com. Then we move on to the number 14, and Smoke, here on the name rail. Then we have Tony Stewart's name, and the two Chevy logos. So, a really nice die-cast. If I was to get this a rating, I would have to give this a 10 out of 10. I like it. I think it's a really good car. I like the paint scheme. It's a real standout, and it just manages to, I like how it is with it looks really like a matte car. Looks like it would be a matte, but it's actually a gloss car, so 10 out of 10. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and help me get to 100 subscribers by hitting that subscribe button. So thank you for watching. This is Zachary Tinkle, signing out.